Thank you very much, yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, Luke Wright. So what you're going to learn today is how to install the rear wheel on your BMW R NineT. This applies to all BMWs of all years, all models as far as Luke Wright is aware. So yeah, let's figure out how to do this. Yeah.
It's showtime.
BMW forums recommend that we clean the threads on the bolts with like WD-40. So take some of that kitchen paper, lie the bolts down, WD-40 over the threads. And like this, we adjust. Thank you.
So I'm lighting up, just grab a cigarette, smoke till it's in my head, take it all away. Yeah, I'm lighting up, just like a cigarette, smoke till it's in my head, take the pain away.
We'll be over in a moment. I'm not keen on using power tools lines tools on these aluminium hubs. BMW have recommended no tighter than 60 Newton meters because the hubs crack. I'm using a star shape and tightening up the bolts just to pull the wheel onto the hub evenly. And then I make sure that the bit is inserted into the bolt fully before I put pressure on. When you hear the torque wrench click, don't go any further because you're done. No. All bolts accounted for. Yay! Thank you for watching, everybody. Luke Wright. And it's quite interesting to see that you can purely use a paddock stand, which is great. So you don't get, which is good. You can use an understand if you want to. You don't have to. And using a rear paddock stand, Luke Wright is a big believer that you really do need to buy a quality paddock stand, because what you've got to take into account is your R NineT. That paddock stand is the only thing keeping it in the air, keeping it safe. You don't want a panic stand that flexes, wobbles, shakes around. You need it to be rock solid, especially with how the spindle goes into the drive shaft that holds the your BMW R NineT up. You don't want the R90 wiggling off that spindle. You want to know that your BMW R90 is safe. So do that. Quality paddock stand, but you can use a paddock stand and you can use an adder stand. And yeah, is it scary? Yeah, because the paddock stand is the only thing holding the R90 in the air, and if anything goes wrong, it's like,
oh my god, they killed Kenny! You bastard!
anything happen. See ya. Thanks for watching, everybody on Luke Price. Thanks for watching.
The way we.
The little rascal has spirit. As water.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
Luke Rice now is drinking things together, baby. Yeah. Damn, that's a good coffee. Yeah.